Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is August 28, 2025. This video is on a Cell Press paper titled Prevalent Mesenchymal Drift in Aging and Disease is Reversed by Partial Reprogramming. Senior author is Juan Carlos Belmonte, internationally well-known aging researcher. Loss of cellular identity is a hallmark of aging and disease. Gene expression data from over 40 human tissues and 20 diseases were analyzed. Mesenchymal drift, which is a pervasive upregulation of mesenchymal genes across cell types, is evaluated. Gene expression correlation with age was done. The analysis of human biopsy data sets from lung, liver, kidney, brain, skin, colon, and heart was conducted. Single-cell RNA-seq data sets, over 300,000 cells from lungs and over 100,000 cells from liver and greater than 70 from kidney. Survival analysis in 132 idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis patients was done. DNA methylation clocks were used to measure rejuvenation. What they find? Mesenchymal drift consistently upregulated in aging tissues and multiple diseases, example lung fibrosis, kidney disease, liver cirrhosis, cardiomyopathy, and Alzheimer's disease. Higher mesenchymal drift, worse outcomes. Idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis patients with high mesenchymal drift had median survival of 294 days versus 1,027 days in low mesenchymal drift, p-value 0.001. Suppression of mesenchymal drift transcription factors, example ZEB1, and was reduced epigenetic age, p-value 0.01. Partial reprogramming with Yamanaka factors reduced mesenchymal drift before full pluripotency. Limitations of the study: limited donor diversity and sample size. Chromatin level mechanisms remain unclear. Key takeaway: mesenchymal drift is a conserved hallmark of aging and disease. It strongly correlates with disease severity and mortality. Partial reprogramming reverses mesenchymal drift, offering a therapeutic strategy for rejuvenation. Eponyms related to this condition: Yamanaka factors, or OSKM, which is named after Shinya Yamanaka, Nobel laureate. OSKM includes OCT4, SOX2, KL4, and MEC. And these four reprogram somatic cells to pluripotency. Horvath's clock, that's the epigenetic DNA methylation clock by Steve Horvath, is widely used to measure biological age. The third eponym is Hayflick limit, describes finite divisions of normal human cells in culture, named after Leonard Hayflick in 1961. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your colleagues. When we change how we see disease, we change how we shape lives. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and keep seeking wisdom. Podcast brought to you by Master MedFacts at mastermedfacts.com.